Welcome. Today we cover Denver side events, where to go, how would I prioritize these side events. Before we actually do, big shout out to the Crypto Nomads Club, that's one. They have done amazing job compiling a list of 215 events. This is the source that I'm going to use to sign up for the side events that I'm interested in. Second of all, if you guys are interested in coming to Denver, check out the first link in the description. This is going to be the webinar that I gave this week. It was mainly about how to prepare for Web3 events, how to make sure that Denver conference and any event that you go in the future is going to be prepared for. You will know how to handle the event and you will know how to handle the post-event follow-up. The best thing I want you to know after this guide and after this video and after this webinar, that you go there, you make a lot of connections, and one event will basically be a couple of months of pipeline for you. So without further ado, when I'm talking about Denver and when I'm thinking, and I think I can just make this bigger for you guys. So there is a list of, it's huge, it's like 215 events. And now I just want to give you a short breakdown of where I would prefer going and where I would prefer skipping. So first of all, everything that you see here, every side event that is featured, yes, you definitely go and you sign up for going for that event. Next one, for February 20th, for February 21st, I would go here and I would try to prioritize events that are going to be happening in the morning. Ideally, House of Ink. I think it's going to be a very good event. From the next day, I think the Hadron Ski House. Maybe there's going to be something super cool, because typically when you're skiing, that's what I see a couple of my friends that are based in Switzerland. When there is a ski party or the ski related event, it's typically a lot of good institutional people that are interested in building something long term, and you can make very good connections here, I think. Next here, I would probably go to Restaking Circle. I would go to Lost Tribes. I would go to that's basically it. Now I think this is the day where events really start happening. 25th of February is going to be really the first big day. I would prioritize everything that is like morning coffee, everything that is like croissants, soiree, everything that is builders, founders brunch. That kind of events are typically very good. Or BNB Incubation Alliance. So basic rule of thumb, try going like this founders and VC branch. Most of the cases, these kind of events are very good. So I would go to them. I would go to different events that are organized by big foundations or big companies, for example, Base Game Night, Restaking and DeFi Day, because this is organized by basically every event that is organized by event company is also considered to be good, because every time they're building the brand and they're attracting very good people. So NIAR, BNB, Golden Age, Base Event, DeFi Club, BitVM. If you're interested in the Bitcoin ecosystem, definitely go here. Starknet Hacker House, if you're interested in how the layer 2s are scaling, all that sort of stuff. If you're into RVA, RWA, of course, go here. Meet VC Brekkie, maybe like if you're looking for funding, everything that has VC in it, you should be there. SheFi Summit Denver, I know it's a very good community. They have a very strong presence. So if you are women, definitely be a part of SheFi, because you're gonna multi-chain day is the best day. I think is the best side events from everything that you can really find. WalletCon, of course. Again, the skiing event, Sui Present, because you already signed up for this. If you're into memes, try going for this meme DAO, for different events are dedicated for listings. That's the launching Meme Coin Summit. You're gonna find plenty of their stuff. I would be going for here Founders and Builders Branch, Bitcoin Breakfast. This one is very good typically for all of the events. They organize this every time for whenever there is a big event. What else do we have here? Solana, Degens, Bitcoin again, Founders and VC Branch, definitely go there. This one I think is also going to be good. Branch again by Builders Hub. Meet the VCs, I think is going to be nice. Metis, I think it's a very good blockchain. You should go and you should meet with them. Mountain Town Lounge, maybe you look at the companies that are organizing it. If there is cool companies, for example, Musk is a cool company, Zircuit is a cool company, definitely go there, try to meet their teams, try to make some good friends with them. And that's basically how I would go for all of this list. And then, of course, like you will sign up and you will prioritize the events that you want to go to. But ideally, if you can go and you can sign up for everything. If you don't have time to go and like sign up and click into all links and then wait until they approve you, you can drop me a DM. This is the information that I shared on the webinar. There is a tool that allows you to sign up for all of these events, like basically with a couple of clicks. So if you're interested in that, drop me a message. And the next video is going to be about Consensus Hong Kong. If you're interested, if you're coming, stay tuned. And it's Web3 Sales Gym. Sign up, subscribe, make a like. If you're interested to talk, you're going to see my contact details in the description. See ya. Bye-bye.